Hello, welcome again. We are covering the subject heat transfer for civil services mains, IFS and various gate exam. Next topic in the chapter of radiation is interchange factor. So in the last video we have derived the heat transfer between two non-black surfaces, that is Q12 is equal to F12 sigma B bracket T14 minus T24 into A1, where A is the area of the plate or area of the surface 1. F12 is your interchange factor, and T1 is temperature of surface 1 and T2 is temperature of surface 2. Okay. So now if we have also derived the formula for F12 for infinite parallel plane. So that is 1 by 1 by epsilon plus 1 by epsilon 2 minus 1. Okay, so that we have derived, that is for infinite parallel planes. And for these planes the area of plane 1 and plane 2 was equal, so that is A is equal to A1 is equal to A2. Okay. So now we can also derive the formula for interchange vector of infinite long cylinder. So this is cylinder, inner cylinder 1, this is cylinder 2. So then the interchange vector for these two is 1 by epsilon 1 plus a1 by a2 bracket 1 by epsilon 2 minus 1 bracket close, where epsilon 1 is the emissivity of surface 1 or cylinder 1, epsilon 2 is the emissivity of surface or cylinder 2, a1 is this area of cylinder 1 and a2 is this area of cylinder 2. And again the heat transfer formula remains same, just we will put the value of F12. Okay, so now this formula is also applicable to sphere. So this is your inner sphere and this is outer sphere, and for sphere the area will be at 4 pi r1 square. A1 is 4 pi r1 square and A2 is 4 pi r2 square, or ratio will be r1 by r2 square. And for cylinder it will be area is pi d1l A1, A2 is pi d2l, or A1 by A2 is r1 by r2. Okay, so this is the common formula that we can use for interchange factor. Okay, so this is the basic formula for infinite parallel plane, for concentric cylinders and concentric sphere. So now for small grey bodies are the bodies whose size is small as compared to distance between them. If they have emissivity epsilon 1 and epsilon 2, then their interchange factor is multiplication of these two, and the heat transfer formula then will be a interchange factor into area of body 1 into shape factor of body 1 with respect to 2 into T14 minus T24. Okay. Here we have used F12 because shape factor in this case may not be unity, but in all these cases, whether it is concentric sphere, all the radiation going out from 1 is going to the 2, that is F12 is 1, and here also F12 is 1, and for infinite parallel planes F12 is 1. Okay, so we need not to write F12 in these cases. So actually the formula is small f12, that is your interchange vector, into a1 into shape vector into t14 minus t24 within bracket. Okay, so we can say the general formula for radiation heat exchange or interchange vector is 1 by epsilon 1 plus a1 by a2 bracket 1 by epsilon 2 minus 1, and q net is f12 f1 small f12, that is interchange vector, that is your shape vector, into sigma b into a1 bracket t14 minus t24 bracket close. Okay, so for infinite parallel plane a1 will be equal to a2 and f12 is 1 and small f12 is this quantity. Okay, for body 1 completely closed by body 2 and area of body is small or body 1 is small, then a1 by a2 is approximately 0. So in this formula we put this quantity as 0, then the interchange factor will be epsilon 1 and f12 will remain 1. When the body 1 is completely enclosed by body 2 and body 1 is large, then this formula holds and f12 is 1. And for small bodies, small f12 is multiplication of epsilon 1 and epsilon 2, and f12 value would be given, or we can find out by some other method. This is your shape vector, this is your interchange vector.